Open the /3.0 website and click on Apply with Devfolio. Enter your details such as email address, username, and password. Click on Continue to proceed. This screen shows the information that you are sharing with us. Click Continue to the application. Fill in the information required and proceed. If you are being referred by a campus ambassador, make sure to enter the referral code here. Then click Join or Create Team. Here you can create your own team and provide a team name or enter a team code to join a team. Once you have created your team, it will create an invitation code. Share this invitation code with your teammate and ask them to register with this team code. Your team members will be shown here. You can have a minimum of 2 members and a maximum of 3 members. Your application is now complete. It will be reviewed by our team and you will be updated.